Hey guys, welcome to the next episode of Aussie Shed Talk. We know it's been a while since the last video. We've both been busy. Clay, what have you been up to?
Mate, I've been on holidays.
On holidays?
Yeah, living it up.
Living it up on holidays?
The Christmas period's pretty busy for me, so yeah, had a couple of weeks off and now we're back into it.
Yeah, so...
What are we doing today?
Today we're just going to do a burnout and...
A burnout?
Yeah, which
in
will...
whose car?
In the Falcon, if it can manage it. And
Maybe.
And other than that, we're going to check out a local show. It's a hot rod show that's on just up the road. So yeah, we'll go and have a look and yeah.
Come with us.
Yeah, follow along.
Sweet.
Thanks, guys.
Here's a classic example of a mint hot rod. It's a 32 Ford Roadster and canary yellow. You can tell it goes fast. Added another 50 horsepower numbers. 681, 6 metre grid position, 81 metres in the world.
Yeah, she's beautiful.
What do you reckon, Dan? You'd have one?
I reckon I'd have 3.
Yeah, you'd have 682 on yours, wouldn't you?
Yep. That's beautiful. Another great example.
Alright guys, here we are. We've got a 56 mainline Ford Ute. These things are pretty rare to find. It's a factory V8 model. So, let's have a look at it. It's pretty stunning. Super rare. Yeah, so just a little walkthrough on the mainline. It's stunning. They just don't make cars like this anymore. Like, this thing is all steel. Looks pretty genuine inside. Gauges, lots of chrome. Typical 50s car. You know, nowadays you see most of these just sitting in paddocks rotting away, and it's good to see one of these just hanging out at a car show on a Sunday morning. Let's go and see what else we can find.
Now I know I was wrong. 'Cause you're a wild baby.
Here we have a good example of normally a 66 Stingray. The thing is just absolutely beautiful. So the interior is mint, obviously been restored to factory. But yeah, check it out. It's ridiculous. Hey guys, here we have a beautiful example of a charger. 6-cylinder charger. These things were bloody fast back in the day. probably one of the best 6 cylinders in the build, I'd say. Yeah, it's good.
It's just catching that sunlight so well. Look at that. Stick shift, leather, chrome wheels. Does it get any better? I come home.
So it come home in a container, but it ended up he had collected nearly 2 of everything.
Oh wow.
So I had a fair bit of stuff to flog off to help pay putting it together. Yeah.
That's awesome.
It worked out pretty good.
You've done a good job.
You don't
It's very
see,
nice.
You don't see many of these at all. Yeah, it's beautiful old thing.
They all seem to get hot rodded now.
Yeah, well, I can't blame them because very hard to get them very like you want to drive them a long
Immaculate,
distance.
yeah.
You got pressure from behind. You got people trying to overtake you.
Yeah. Original engine. They got the 6.
It's actually a 32 engine in that one, but yeah, still a 4-cylinder side valve.
Yep.
Cruise home and do a burnout. Now, who wants to see a Falcon burnout? Well, if you know, you're going to see it anyway.
Alright guys, thanks for watching the latest episode of Aussie Shed Talk. So as you know, we've all got shirts now. These are the ones that we're representing. We've only got limited sizes and numbers left. A lot of them were pre-orders, but we do have shirts. So if you want one, hit us up on our social media pages, or if you know Dan and I in person, yeah, hit us up and we'll make sure we get you guys fresh apparel. The old Phelps is back and she skidded, so sorry Dad, new white walls are on my driveway. All good. Guys, thanks for watching. We will have another video out to you by the end of the week, and it's almost Christmas. I know it's silly season. We're gonna have a car cruise. We're in the works of setting it up at the moment. Keep your eyes on Facebook and Instagram, and we'll definitely release dates so you guys can plan. So if you've got a Pro Deck sitting in the shed, make sure it's ready to go. The FJ won't be, but the Falcon will be. I'll see you there.